Alright, I'm going back in with the intake as a whole assembly. Oh, careful. Careful with that. Come on, baby. Oh, you know what? I need to rub this thing through. Hold on. What is this? Okay, so this line, cut it through here. Oops. Get in there. Okay. And it comes through here. Alright, like position. Voila. Man, this is easy. Easier than olden days of the small block Chevy or the big block or any other block. Intake's in place. I am going to thread a few bolts in, or actually and thread all of them.
Yeah, this thing's kind of like lagging out a bit.
Okay.
I think it might be because battery.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. What, the phone?
It's like freezing.
Okay. You know what? It's probably trying to.
Oh, I disconnected you from the internet already. I think.
I'm going back together. The rest to reassemble. Just make sure to plug everything back in. All 5 or 4 or 5 connectors besides them. Make sure you plug that in, and then I never disconnected the hard. They were right there, so got these started with the finger, so make sure they're not cross-threaded or anything. Alright, that's good. I'm gonna put my bottom one first. Snap. It's got little retainers in there. Snap one of these on there. There's a plug back here for the map sensor. Now I can just tighten down and start torquing the fold down. But the rest of the stuff is pretty easy, so we will talk to you after. Bye.